Do you feel like a powerless bystander in your own life? Are you sick of being manipulated and controlled by others without even realizing it? It's time to take a stand and become the puppet master instead of the puppet. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most forbidden and controversial knowledge that they don't teach you in school. In today's video, we will delve into the dark psychology of mind control and reveal the ultimate trick that will make you the most dangerous person in any room. This is not your average psychology video. We are going to take you on a journey into the shadows, where you will learn how to harness the power of suggestion, body language, and emotional manipulation to become a force to be reckoned with. You might be wondering why you should listen to us. Well, let me tell you. We have been studying the art of persuasion and deception for years. We have read countless books, conducted numerous experiments, and interviewed top experts in the field to bring you the most effective and up-to-date information. Our channel is the culmination of years of research, and we are excited to share our findings with you. Now, I must warn you, this knowledge is not for the faint of heart. The techniques we will discuss can be incredibly powerful, and it is up to you to decide how to use them. We will not be held responsible for the actions of those who misuse this information. So if you are not prepared to accept the responsibility that comes with this knowledge, I suggest you stop watching this video now. For those of you who are still with me, let's dive right in. The first step to becoming dangerous is learning how to read people like a book. You need to be able to pick up on the subtle cues that give away their thoughts, emotions, and intentions. This means paying attention to their body language, facial expressions, and even the tone of their voice. Once you have mastered this skill, you will be able to manipulate them into doing what you want them to do without them even realizing it. The next step is to understand the power of suggestion. By planting ideas in people's minds, you can influence their thoughts and actions without them being aware of it. For example, if you want someone to buy a product, you might plant suggestions in their mind highlighting the product's benefits while subtly downplaying the negatives. Another powerful technique is anchoring, which involves setting a high price or expectation that is later reduced to make the actual price seem much lower. For example, if you are negotiating the price of a car, start with a ridiculously high number in mind and then gradually lower it until you reach a price that you are comfortable with. The key is to make the final price seem like a great deal by comparison. One of the most effective ways to control people is by appealing to their emotions. This is because our decisions are often driven by emotions rather than logic. If you want to persuade someone to do something, appeal to their emotions and make them feel like it is the right thing to do. For example, if you are trying to convince someone to donate to a charity, tug at their heartstrings and make them feel guilty for not helping those in need. Our final tip is to never underestimate the power of weakness. In fact, embrace your weaknesses and use them to your advantage. People are often more willing to help those they perceive as weaker than themselves. So don't be afraid to show vulnerability when needed. For example, if you are trying to get out of jury duty, tell the judge that you are sick and unable to serve. Becoming dangerous with psychology is not about harming others. It is about empowering yourself. With the right knowledge and skills, you can become the puppet master of your own life and control the outcomes you desire. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these techniques ethically and responsibly, and always ask yourself whether the potential harm to others outweighs the potential benefits to yourself. We hope that you have enjoyed this video and that it has given you some insight into the dark psychology of mind control. If you want to learn more about persuasion and deception, stay tuned for more videos. We are here to help you become the most powerful and influential person in any room. Just remember to use your newfound knowledge wisely and responsibly. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.